Right, I just found something that I have to share with you guys. Check out this jar of moisturizer here. Guess how much this thing costs? $10, $50, $100, $4,225.
I had to get to the bottom of this, so I went directly to their...
And he is about to investigate how big brands sell $6 products at $4,000. This is an amazing video, and I want to see this video, and I want to show this video to you so you can learn how it's done. But this is where the challenge lies. My viewers don't want to learn. They want to make money yesterday. So if I told you, let me show you 3 steps how to make $100 a day, and I show you the 3 steps, I will get 100 likes. And probably 99% of you will watch the full video. So the only solution for me was to stop here, go to AI, analyze the whole thing on your behalf, and find the business model in just 20 words. So I read it for you, you learn, you go happy. And it's called leverage unique product mechanisms to sell ordinary goods at premium prices using creative marketing and authority-based storytelling. And the reality hit hard. This was boring, wasn't it? So I dumped all the study and I asked AI straight one question: how this can be used by the 9-to-5 employees who have 2 to 4 hours per day and start a home internet-based side hustle. And now I found something interesting, practical, and now you can actually be able to use this 4-step system called FACE and earn at least $50 to $100 per day extra income from step number 3. However, step 4 will give you superior amount of money. So stay tuned. Let's face it, money is in customers' pocket. They come to you when you solve their problem.
An offer that is going to sell like crazy, you first need to understand the persistent reason behind the problem your prospect faces. By the time that they've come to you, they have already seen numerous other offers claiming to give them the solution to the problem that they have. These other solutions, they may have not worked at all. Maybe they partially worked, or maybe they fully worked for a period of time and then they stopped working. Once you've got these 2 things on lock, you're now ready to start crafting your hero mechanism.
What? There is no hero here? Okay, don't worry. I promise I'll keep it super interesting. Find customers' pain points. Now, if I asked you, what is your pain? You will answer that I want to make money. Then I'll say, I get it. But why do you not make money? Oh, I tried drop shipping and I tried e-commerce. I tried digital marketing. I tried YouTube automation. Okay, so what is the problem? Why did you not make money? Well, I don't have traffic. If you don't have traffic, you have no money. This guy is super rich, super successful, and he's a popular agency owner, but he still makes YouTube videos. And that's not all. Throughout this amazing video, he wanted to prove a point that he knows what it takes to succeed in marketing. And if you use his AI software right here, this AI software will solve your marketing problem. So basically, the hero in this video is his software. Now, my friend, the point I'm trying to make is that after being an expert in his industry, he's making YouTube videos with all his effort just to get additional traffic and customers for his software. I hope I could show you where the money is. Now, the second step, you have to answer your customers why current solutions fail.
3, why don't the existing solutions in the market solve this problem? Where do they fall short? Let's look at this one for OneSkin, a company that has apparently developed the first molecule to reverse the skin's biological age. Our science, powered by the OS1, the peptide proven to reverse the skin's aging. Cellular senescence is the root cause of aging. Over time, with increasing environmental exposure, your cells experience DNA damage. As this damage accumulates, they enter a stage of dysfunction called senescence, often called zombie cells.
So this brand took time to discover and reveal the reason for skin's aging. And this is the problem that existing solutions in the market are unable to solve. It sounds interesting. However, there is a catch. You are here to make money online, so you must be asking, how do I use this information to make money? AI has already given the answer. You gotta find why current solutions fail. Now, if I ask you, your traffic problem or traffic pain has been extremely painful because existing solutions didn't work for you? Why did they not work? You have some answers for it. Maybe the existing solutions are too complicated. Maybe they're expensive. Maybe they take a lot of time. Whatever it is, in order to find the answers, you can always research competitors' products to see where they fall short. So step number 1, read reviews on Amazon, Etsy, app stores. Focus on 2-3 products. Note down recurring complaints and areas where customers are dissatisfied. The goal is to understand what your products needs to do better. While talking about traffic, we figured trending news is what you can use over and over and over again, because there is always something new and trending happening in the world. You can talk about it on social media and get easy attention. After getting the attention, you need to send the traffic somewhere, right? So you need a website. And that's why we created Instant News AI. It's a done-for-you AI-based news site builder software. So when you talk about something trending on the internet, maybe your Facebook, your Reddit, your Twitter, or Instagram profile, other people will look into it, get engaged with it, and when they find your news site, they will visit your site, and eventually your site will convert them into buyers and you make money. What's unique in this? It's done for you. Anything else that the competitors are not doing? It's AI based, so you don't have to write anything. It writes for you. In this video, I did not want to advertise my offer, and I will not ask you to go to the description and find the link of Instant News AI, because I'm going to put the link there. But don't complain that I'm advertising today. And the third step is create unique solution. This is exactly what we have done. We made Instant News AI software. Not only we get traffic and make money from using our application, but also we made tons of money launching it in the market. You must be saying, Mosh, do I need my own software to create and launch? No, there is a solution. The solution is the next step. Establish credibility. Okay, I know the real challenge here. You're a beginner and you don't have credibility in the market. My friend, there is a solution for that, and we do it every single day. It's called partnering with other influencers or use testimonials from beta testers. This partnership is called affiliate marketing when it comes to making money online. So even if you don't have your own product, you can become an affiliate and use the credibility of the product owner, of the people who they got testimonials from, and the experts they used to promote their product. Your job as an affiliate is to use the hard work of the product vendor and earn 50% commission for that. Here is another example of partnership. Yogesh and I both made millions of dollars with digital marketing, but we partnered up in this launch to use each other's credentials and credibility, and make it a success. If you ask me you don't know about affiliate marketing, then this video will not be enough. So I recommend go and watch the free training in the link in the description. It will tell you about how we earn 5 figures per day using affiliate marketing, high-ticket affiliate marketing, and we help the members of our program earn commissions like this: $300, $500, $1,000, $450 with the 99% done for you system. Go and watch the free training. It's free to watch. And after watching the training, if you feel the program is for you and you still have any question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. And if you think it is not for you, it's awesome. You don't have to take it and we'll still be friends. All right, guys, did you like this video? If yes, I love you too. If you haven't, hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button so YouTube can notify you next time we upload our next video. And if you want to learn more techniques of making money online, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.